Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sign a document on Google Docs. It is actually super simple, and you're just basically going to open up your Google Docs letter, or this is just like a random letter example that I found on Google Docs itself. Go to insert, go to drawing and select new. Select this line here and select the arrow and select scribble, and you're just going to scribble in your signature. Of course, this is a fake signature that says love. Okay, that's good enough. That looks more like loan, but save and close. Oh, hello. Okay, I'm just going to refresh, reload it, because there's, I guess, a bug apparently, but your signature will be there. I don't know why this is just half of it. Hold on, let me do that again. I'm going to do it a little bit more to the top, and then I will select save and close. I don't know why it's doing this, but hopefully it's going to be here. Okay, there you go. So just refresh it if yours does the same thing as what mine did, and just put it down here on sincerely, your signature, and your name. Lovely Debbie, whatever, that's fake name. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!